Welcome to Philippine, Canadian, and PAR's Daily News Roundup, brought to you by CanadianandPAR.net, your only Filipino-Canadian daily news portal. I'm Rowan Echo, and here are stories making headlines today. Malacañang asks public not to panic over Dengvaxia mess. Amid the growing fear of the public on the reported drawbacks of the anti-dengue vaccine Dengvaxia, Malacañang called on them to remain calm and to stop spreading information that may intensify the already present tension. Quote, "We understand the concern of our people, especially the parents and the relatives of public elementary children residing in Regions 3, 4A, and NCR, where the dengue vaccination initiative was launched by the previous administration," unquote, a presidential spokesperson Harry Roque said in a statement. Quote, "However, we call on all citizens not to spread information that may cause undue alarm," unquote, he added. This after pharmaceutical company Sanofi said that prescribing Dengvaxia to those who have not acquired the dengue virus may cause severe diseases in the long run. According to the Department of Health, there are more than 733,000 children who received the vaccination. Assuring the public, Roque said there are currently no reported cases of severe dengue infection to those who have been vaccinated with Dengvaxia last 2016. Moreover, the palace assured that those responsible in the dengue immunization program will be held accountable. Quote, "We will leave no stone unturned in making those responsible for this shameless public health scam, which puts hundreds of thousands of young lives at risk, accountable," unquote, said Roque. As to monitoring the students who received the vaccine, Roque said the Department of Health is now coordinating with the Department of Education to work on it. EJK complained to UN of propaganda by rights group, says Palace. Going straight to the United Nations to file complaints over the alleged extrajudicial killings in connection to the anti-insurgency campaign of the government is just a propaganda of the human rights group Karapatan, says Malacañang. Quote, "Filing directly with the UN is only for propaganda purposes because there are institutions in the Philippines that could address it," unquote, Roque said in a text message. Roque said that if Karapatan is concerned about upholding the right to life, they should file the complaints to the Fiscal's Office and with the Supreme Court for writ of amparo. Quote, "Karapatan knows that it can avail of all domestic remedial mechanisms. The pillars of the criminal justice system in the Philippines remain to be effective and our legal processes are well functioning," unquote, Roque said in a statement. Criticizing Karapatan's move, Roque said they are only after political millage. Roque, however, said he has not seen the complaints filed by Karapatan and was not aware whether the group filed charges before the local courts. He reminded the group that the state, not international bodies like the UN, is duty-bound to investigate alleged cases of extrajudicial killings. PNP to launch Know Your Rights app. The Philippine National Police is set to launch a human rights mobile application on Monday, ahead of the observance of the International Human Rights Day on December 10. Chief Superintendent Dennis Siervo, head of the PNP Human Rights Affairs Office, said that the launching of Know Your Rights application kicks off the PNP's commemoration of the National Human Rights Consciousness Week with the theme of Stand Up for Someone's Right Today. Siervo said that the app can be downloaded from the Google Play Store by all Android mobile device users. Quote, "Through the Know Your Rights mobile application, all human rights advisories and policies crafted by the PNP, including the contents of the new Miranda warning pocket card with the anti-torture reminders, can be downloaded or stored in all Android smartphones," unquote, Siervo explained in a statement. He added that once the application is downloaded and installed in a mobile device, the contents of it can be accessed anytime, even without internet connection, by police personnel, especially by field officers engaged in anti-drug operations, criminality, and corruption. Apart from this, the app also provides PNP officers the right information and materials which guide individuals or citizens placed under police custody of their rights under the law. Moreover, the public can also have an easy access to the human rights advisories, information on their fundamental rights, and police operational procedures and rules of engagement. Siervo stressed that the mobile application affirms PNP's commitment to protect human rights. That wraps up our news here on PZI Daily News Roundup. Thank you for joining us. For more news stories, visit our website at www.canadianandpar.net.